the large amount of clouds that we currently have in our sky, temperatures have been able to rise up to 81 degrees. So it's very warm out there, and our humidity has cooled off quite a bit, only up to 62% right now. So it's starting to get a little bit more pleasant outside than it was earlier this evening or earlier today. Now, all the clouds that we're currently seeing in our sky are left over from what once was this pop-up band of showers that occurred just to the east of us earlier this morning and have since moved off to the east, no longer affecting anyone here in the state of Mississippi besides just the remaining clouds left over from it. Now, we're experiencing warm temperatures here, and so is the rest of the southeastern region, over at to 88 degrees in Montgomery. Now, even though we're experiencing all these very warm temperatures, just to our west, out in South Dakota, up to 21 degrees, and even down to 16 in Denver. So very chilly weather that is going to continue to move eastward, but our temperatures will never see these low numbers, although it will be starting to cool off slightly. Now, the clouds that we currently have are gonna move through our area for the rest of the day, but that is just the start, because by tomorrow evening around 5 o'clock we do have the chance for some more rain to start impacting us. But really the biggest story is going to be Thursday morning around 3 a.m. There is going to be some severe weather just to the west of us, and it's looking like a squall line at the moment, and that is going to continue to push eastward, impacting us here at the Golden Triangle, and that is going to continue through Thursday morning until just afternoon, about 1 p.m. So after that continues to pass through, we will see some lingering showers, but really any type of severe weather, any strong winds of that nature are going to have since moved on. Now, when that severe weather does hit, if it continues to impact us the way that it's showing right now, we're going to be able to experience some winds up to 50 or 60 miles an hour, so some strong gusty winds. And whenever you have winds that blowing that fast, there is always the chance for an isolated tornado. And now again, the timing for this is early morning tomorrow or Thursday morning. That's about 3 a.m. to 1 p.m. So just go ahead, if you're going to be out on your commute, Thursday morning, go ahead and just take precaution. Be aware of the surroundings just in case there are heavy winds and blowing any tree branches on the roads that might affect you. But tonight, don't worry, it's going to be very mild outside, only going down to 61 degrees, so very pleasant overall. And tomorrow, 82 as our high, so just another warm day, but it should be very pleasant with a north wind out at 10 to 20 miles an hour, so just very nice out there. Go ahead and get out there and enjoy it. As far as our 5-day forecast goes, our lows really aren't going to be getting that low, only down to 45 degrees on Saturday night as our nightly low, but nowhere near those temperatures that we saw out in Colorado. Now, as far as our highs goes, we're staying in the 70s, so finally starting to really experience spring and what all it has to offer. And for the most part, throughout our weekend, we're going to be seeing very sunny skies, hardly any clouds. But before we can get there, we just have to get past Thursday, get past all the rain, all the showers, any winds that it might bring, and then we can finally enjoy a very nice weekend ahead of us. So be sure to tune in on tomorrow just to see really how all this severe weather can and will affect you. Thanks for tuning in. I'm your meteorologist, Haley Clawson.